Hi guys, how can I edit PDF files in Windows for free? And actually, if you have Mac, it should work too, especially if you have Word installed. But even if you don't have Word installed, you should be able to do it using the tools we're going to show here, but maybe with a little differences in the style, in the look and feel of the PDF file that you are going to create after editing it. And make sure you stick around till the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to give you a huge bonus about creating your lead magnets. I'm Alan Lois, growing together with you to live our dreams. And if you're not here, don't forget to subscribe here or on screen so you don't miss anything about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, the MAP system, make money online. So don't forget to click the notifications bell too. Editing PDF files is, for example, very useful when you're trying to create your own PDF files from some done-for-you PDF files where you have rights for that, of course. So now I'm going to show you how to edit the PDF for free. Step number 1, we go to this page, ilovepdf.com. I'm going to leave the link in the comments below or in the description. And here in this page, we can see this PDF to Word. So we click this, and we click select PDF file, and we're going to choose, for example, this one. And now we can come here and just click convert to Word. And now we just download the file, download Word, and it's going to be down here. And now step number 2, we open it with Word. We just go here and double click it, or I think maybe clicking it is enough there. Okay, just here we have it. We see the look and feel is the same, it's not changing anything. So we can go, for example, at the end of the PDF, and of course we first need to click here to enable the edit mode. So we click here, and now we can really edit the PDF. So we go down to the end of the PDF, for example, again, because I want to add something there. So you can click here on the text, and we press the arrow keys on the keyboard, and here we can type, for example, visit my YouTube channel here. We just go up here, for example, and click center, and now we just save it up here in the menu, and we can go to file menu, export, create PDF file document, and click this button. And it will ask for the location to save it. We just click publish when we are at the location that we choose. This was because I already had a file like that. Now we have here our new created PDF. You see it's the same style, the same PDF, the same look and feel, and we go down here and we see this has the line we just added here. When we are here in the document, the Word document, we can go here and choose, for example, this word or the whole line. Right click, and there is a button or an option that says link, and you can add a link there. It's only that it's not showing while I'm screencasting, while I'm recording the screen. But you can also do it in another way, which is just clicking here and double clicking on the word to select it, go to the top menu and click insert there in the menu, and there you have this button called link or hyperlink or something like that. When you click it, you see this, and here in this line you can paste the URL for the YouTube channel, the Facebook group, or whatever you want to link, for example google.com or whatever. You just click accept, and that's it. Then you go again to the top menu, file, and export here, and you see create PDF, and there you have it, your new PDF. And of course, you can edit any part of the PDF file, not only the end of the file. I was just going to add something there as an example, but you can go to any page and change whatever you want. Add things or delete things, or just change the text or the links, whatever you want. It's just a simple Word document, and you can change it, and then you go to export it, and that's it. If you don't have Word installed in your computer or in your Mac, maybe you can open it with another program, another application, and just try to edit it in the way that it allows you to do it. And maybe you can see some small changes about the look and feel or something like that, but maybe it's not so big deal, so maybe it's still worth it anyway. You can try and experiment, but if you can install Word, that's the best option because all the look and feel is the same. And now, as promised, time for our huge bonus. When you are trying to create a lead magnet, always try to create it related to your content. For example, if you are creating a video or a post, always try to create it related to that content, that video, and then it's more likely to get downloaded by your visitors. And that way, when you're using another content related to the lead magnets, you can drive traffic to that content first instead of driving traffic directly to an opt-in page. And that way, when they already see and read or watch that content first, then they trust you a little bit more, and it's more likely that they are going to opt in to get the lead magnet afterwards. And now, as a surprise bonus, I'm going to give you for free a PDF with the ultimate list of lead magnet ideas. I'm going to leave the link in the comments down below so you can get it. And this is going to really help you a lot when you are creating your new lead magnets. So I hope you find this information useful, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It won't cost you anything at all, and it will help me a lot. And click the notifications bell so you don't miss anything about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online, the MAP system, a lot of things. So see you in the next video.